Liquid foundation. This is the most widely used type, and it has been the industry standard for decades. It comes in a fluid form that spreads easily across the skin, blending into a smooth, even layer. Liquid formulas can be adjusted to suit different needs, from light coverage that lets natural skin show through to full coverage that conceals redness, spots, and uneven tone. Because the texture is adaptable, brands often build entire ranges around it, offering various finishes like matte, satin, or dewy within the same liquid base, powder foundation. Long before liquid formulas became popular, powder was often the simplest way to even out skin tone. It comes as a pressed or loose powder that is applied with a brush or sponge, and it works by absorbing oil while adding a soft layer of color. People with oily skin tend to favor this type because it controls shine throughout the day without needing much touch-up. It also tends to be quicker to apply, which made it a favorite for on-the-go routines and for setting other products underneath. Cream foundation. Thicker and richer than liquid, cream foundation is designed to nourish the skin while covering imperfections. It usually comes in a compact or pot and is applied with fingers, a sponge, or a brush, melting into the skin as it warms up. This type tends to suit drier skin, since the heavier texture helps prevent a flaky or dull appearance. Cream formulas were especially popular in classic film and theater makeup, where strong, long-lasting coverage was essential under bright lighting. Stick foundation. Shaped like a lipstick or concealer, stick foundation offers convenience above almost anything else. It can be swiped directly onto the skin and blended with fingers or a sponge, making it a practical option for quick application or travel. The solid form usually contains a good amount of pigment, so a small amount goes a long way. Many people also use it for targeted coverage on specific areas, such as blemishes or dark spots, rather than applying it across the entire face. Cushion foundation. Originating in South Korea, this type became popular for combining the ease of powder with the finish of liquid. It consists of a sponge soaked in liquid foundation, housed inside a compact, and applied by pressing the sponge onto the skin. The format allows for quick, even application and is especially convenient for reapplying throughout the day. Its lightweight, breathable finish made it a favorite in humid climates, where heavier formulas can feel uncomfortable on the skin. Mousse foundation. Whipped into an airy, light texture, Mousse foundation feels almost weightless when applied. It blends smoothly and dries down to a soft matte or semi-matte finish, which appeals to people who dislike the heaviness of thicker formulas. Because of its aerated structure, a small amount can cover a surprising amount of skin. This type is often chosen by those who want a natural look without sacrificing coverage. Tinted Moisturizer. Positioned as a hybrid between skincare and makeup, Tinted Moisturizer offers the lightest coverage of nearly any foundation type. It combines hydrating ingredients with a small amount of pigment, evening out the skin tone rather than fully concealing it. This makes it a common choice for everyday wear or warmer seasons, when heavier makeup can feel unnecessary. Its rise in popularity reflected a broader shift toward makeup that looks more like skin and less like a mask. Serum foundation. A more recent development, Serum foundation blends skincare actives directly into a lightweight foundation base. It often includes ingredients like hyaluronic acid or vitamins, aiming to treat the skin while providing sheer to medium coverage. This type appeals to people who want their makeup routine to double as part of their skincare regimen. Its thin, almost liquid consistency allows it to sit closely to the skin, creating a natural, glass-like finish. Matte foundation. Designed specifically to reduce shine, matte foundation absorbs excess oil and leaves a flat, smooth finish on the skin. It tends to be favored by those with oily or combination skin, since it helps keep the complexion looking fresh for longer without frequent blotting. The formula usually contains oil-absorbing powders, which is what gives it that characteristic velvety look. Over the years, matte formulas have been reworked to avoid the dry, cakey appearance that older versions were sometimes known for. Dewy foundation. In contrast to matte, dewy foundation is built to enhance natural radiance and give the skin a soft, luminous glow. It often contains light-reflecting particles or hydrating agents that catch the light, creating a fresh, healthy appearance. This type works especially well on drier skin types, where it can add moisture and shine simultaneously. It has also become closely associated with the no-makeup makeup look, where the goal is to enhance rather than mask the skin's natural texture.